onion rings. Nice recipe and it's very crispy too. Follow this recipe. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gurus in the Kitchen. Today now I'm making one of the craziest recipe with the help of onions and breadcrumbs and eggs. It is crunchy onion rings. Let's check the recipe how I am making. Onions 3, breadcrumbs, 1 egg, salt, pinch, corn flour and all-purpose flour. Both mix it nicely, then add little bit of salt and mix it. This is the recipe for crispy onion rings. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Peel the onions and cut into round. Then remove the petals. This much width is enough. Remove it. I am showing one more. You can see this much width is enough, and slowly remove the petals. Keep it in a side. Take a bowl, whisk it, see how I am making. Take the round rings and add into the egg whisked, and again drop into this with the left hand, or you can add spoon. And again slowly dip into this. You can see how it is coated the dough. Then dip into the breadcrumbs. Coat like this and keep it in a side. See again. A crumb slashed. Coat it nicely. Flour and again egg crumbs, omelette. Breadcrumbs. Take the kadai and pour oil. Oil is heated and deep fry the onion rings coated with egg and corn flour, all-purpose flour. Make into small drops. Drop it nicely. Cook it on a low flame. And make crispy. It's looking very nice with coated rings. You can see the golden brown color. Check the crispiness. Finally, the crunchy onion rings is over. Now I am tasting. It's very crispy. I'm getting omelette flavor and corn flour, maida. This is a nice recipe. Follow this recipe for best onion rings, and thanks for watching.